Talaq, Talaq, Talaq.
Why are you so sad?
Today I got angry on my wife and I gave her talaq, and now I'm realizing it was wrong.
If you have realized your mistake, then go back to her and settle your issues in kind.
I can't go back to her as I gave her talaq already.
How can you give talaq in a day?
I said to her talaq 3 times.
Are you a Muslim?
Yes.
Have you ever opened the Quran to see the step-by-step process of talaq?
No.
Let's ask this question from the Quran itself. Let's visit www.questionquran.com.
Now I know. Now I have ample time to go back to my wife and settle my differences based on the guidelines given in Quran. Thank you for guiding me, as a friend of mine suggested me that halala is the only option now.
Please remember that halala is a short-term marriage. Let's check what Al-Quran says about short-term marriages.
Now I know. Thanks to Allah that I am saved from this sin.
Yes, and remember, Allah has created us and our relationships, so Allah knows and tells the best way to handle them. Now it's your responsibility to educate others by sharing it.
Let the Quran answer your question.